We are here at Agape, along with Sheila and the crew. So, Sheila, besides weight loss, what other services does Agape offer?
We are a full-service wellness clinic offering medically supervised weight loss, hormone optimization, IV therapy, wellness injections, peptide therapy, and personalized nutrition counseling. We also have a 3D body scanner and professional skincare.
So let's talk about the T-Shape 2.
For the T-Shape 2, it offers low-level laser, radio frequency, vacuum massage, and mesosphere technology to help improve stubborn fat, tighten skin, reduce the site of cellulite, and lymphatic drainage.
Wow, you have it all. So what makes you different from your competition?
So we are a faith-based company,
Okay.
and we treat every person that comes through the door with compassion and understanding. When you come here, you feel heard and seen.
Awesome. Now, do you also offer financing or anything with the HSA?
We do. We accept health savings plans and FSA. We also have 2 forms of financing that have some 0% financing options.
That's wonderful.
So before someone's starting treatment, you go ahead and do like a comprehensive blood analysis?
That is correct.
Okay.
It is optional. It's
Okay.
not required for some services, but for hormone and testosterone, it is required.
Okay.
How do we get started?
So you'd schedule an appointment to come in for a consultation to meet with one of our medical providers to get medical clearance.
Okay. And then you offer labs as well?
We do. We have labs for pretty much anything that you're looking to achieve to help with your care.
So if you mention RES TV,
You'll get 10% off.
sounds good. Come to Agape.